Hi everybody, it's me, Mike Celestino from laughingplace.com, and I received in the mail a couple days ago this box from our friends over at Disney Products. As you can see, it's labeled with the Star Wars Young Jedi Adventures logo there on the top. Some ships, the characters from Star Wars Young Jedi Adventures. You've got Kai, Brightstar, Liz Soleil, Nubs, Nash Durango, and of course, Master Yoda there on the left. Same image on all sides. We're going to open this up, take a look at what's inside. Here we go. I've already sliced open the tape. And first thing I've got on the top here is just a little letter from our friends at Disney Products. Well, enumerating everything that came inside this box. And just letting us know to share with you, yes, they did send this over to us free of charge for us to share with you and check out for ourselves. And this is Nubs, of course. There he is, Nubs, Star Wars Young Jedi Adventures from Mattel. Look at that adorable Nubs plush. Let's see, what is this actually called? This is the assorted basic plush from Mattel Young Jedi Adventures. So this is Mattel's version of Nubs. It is, of course, adorable. He's got his little High Republic era tunic on there. He's got his cute ears, some fuzz fur. He's very furry and blue. The yellowish cape on the back there. How can you go wrong with a cute little Nubs plush? Very happy to have that from Mattel. And then from Hasbro, we've got Kai Brightstar. And this is part of the Young Jedi Adventures. I think this is just Young Jedi Adventures toy and action figure set vehicle from Hasbro. So this is the Kai Brightstar. Now my friend Nick pointed out that he comes with a helmet that you don't see him wearing in the show, and he was curious why that was, but I'm curious about that as well. I wonder if there was a change from the animation, or if they just wanted to make sure kids playing with these toys got a better impression of how to be safe when riding on, you know, your bike or any kind of vehicle like this. But of course, these are Jedi in the series. I don't believe they are wearing these helmets when they ride around on their speeders in the show. I suppose they should be. But yeah, here's Kai. We're gonna open this up here. Let's. I'm gonna cut open his twine here. Give me 1 second. Get a pair of scissors. Okay, there's Kai. Let's see. I want to see if his helmet comes off. It looked like it might, but no. I'm thinking his helmet does not come off. So he's just wearing the green helmet. That's cool. And he's got articulation at the hip to swivel his legs back and forth. You've got articulation at the shoulder and at the wrist. His hand can turn at the wrist. And of course at the top of his neck, you can swivel his head 360 degrees up and down, back and forth, all around. Let's get the speeder out of here. You know, I wanted to say that this is perfect timing for me to unbox this, because today, just this morning, they announced that 6 new episodes of Star Wars Young Jedi Adventures will be coming to Disney Plus on August 2nd, and Disney Junior. So that'll be fun. Can't wait to check those out. I enjoyed the first 7 when they came out on Disney Plus. Okay, there's the little speeder. Looks an awful lot like the speeder bikes from Return of the Jedi. Definitely modeled on that design with some modifications. And Kai sits on there very nicely. He can hold the handles here. Oh, and I gotta dig his lightsaber. See, it says here, lightsaber is down inside here, so we gotta dig that out. I wonder if anyone would miss that, but, oh yeah, it's packaged inside here. This little envelope has a lightsaber inside. And if you'll recall in the show, Kai is given Yoda's old training lightsaber. Now, there's nowhere for him to store the saber on the ship, but we'll just take off one of his hands that was holding the handle and put it in his right hand there. And there's Kai riding the speeder bike and holding his green-bladed lightsaber. There's the back side. Very cool from Hasbro. Let's see what else is in the box here. We got Star Wars Young Jedi Adventures, Jedi Training Kids Book, written by Caitlin Kennedy. There's the back side. Doesn't say who the art is by. I wonder if it's also by Caitlin Kennedy. No, here we go. The illustrations are by Betsy Bauer, Andy Bjalk, Elsa Chang, and Rebecca Nelson. Looks very nice. I think I'm going to do a separate written review of this kids book on laughingplace.com. So you can look out for that very soon. Got a fun, nice new kids book to review there. And let's see, what's next? We got, a Lego set, always my favorite part. From Lego, you got the Tenoo Jedi Temple, Star Wars Young Jedi Adventures building set, Master Yoda minifigure, Liz Soleil minifigure, Kai Brightstar minifigure, the little training droid you can build, and part of the temple on the planet Tenoo, where most of the series is set. Again, I'm going to build this separately in a separate video and review this Lego set, and I think it's going to be very cool. So look for that probably within the next week or so. Always excited to build and check out new Lego sets on the Laughing Place YouTube channel. There's some cool elements here. A nice, fun set for ages 4 and up. Just 124 pieces, but this is all you need for your basic Young Jedi Adventures Lego set. Here's a Star Wars Young Jedi Adventures Nubs training lightsaber. So if you want to pretend to be Nubs, maybe you want to go as Nubs for Halloween, or to dress up as Nubs for a convention cosplay appearance, this is what you're going to need. The Nubs training lightsaber. It's wrapped in leaves and twine. It's got a leaf insignia on it there. Do you see that? And it does not light up. It does not make noise. It's a very basic toy. It's not electronic. It's not intended to be electronic. It's just fun to swing around and pretend to be everybody's favorite Nubs character from Star Wars Young Jedi Adventures. And this is from Disney and Hasbro as well. Okay, I see more stuff in here. Oh boy, this is a sippy cup. Sipper. Tumbler, I guess you would call it. They have a name for it. It is a Young Jedi Adventures tumbler from shopDisney. And this has got, it's one of those where it looks like there's water. Well, there is water inside the outer rim of it. And you've got all the characters there. Kai Brightstar, Nash Durango, Nubs, Yoda, Liz Soleil, and little RJ-83, the droid. And it's got little Jedi insignia, Jedi Order insignia floating around, along with some glitter. Let me unscrew this here. So put your beverage in there for younger beverage drinkers. Or, you know, I might use this as an adult. Doesn't hold a tremendous amount of liquid, but it is a very nice little tumbler for young fans of Star Wars Jedi Adventures, and it says Young Jedi there on the side. And some quotes from the characters. We are ready to fly. Jedi are on the way. Train in the ways of the Force. Always focus on others. The Jedi must. Co-pilot, pointing to RJ. Amazing. The best Jedi for the job, pointing to Kai Brightstar. Great from shopDisney, the Young Jedi Adventures tumbler. And that's everything that was in that box. A very cool collection of stuff from Star Wars Young Jedi Adventures. It's a very fun show if you haven't checked it out yet. It is obviously intended for younger viewers, and it's available on Disney Plus, and it has been airing on Disney Junior. And I can't recommend it enough for kids of that age. I said in my review, it reminded me of Muppet Babies, which was one of my favorite shows when I was a kid. Like I said earlier, I'm going to do separate reviews of the Lego set, the Tenoo Jedi Temple Lego set, and the book, the kids' book called Jedi Training from Star Wars Young Jedi Adventures. You will see those, a video of that, and a written review of that over at laughingplace.com and the Laughing Place YouTube channel, which is where you're watching this video right now. Otherwise, my name is Mike Celestino. I want to thank you for checking out this video. We do stuff like this all the time. And thank you to our friends over at Disney Products for sending this over. And we'll see you real soon right here at Laughing Place. Thanks for watching. Bye.